Hello everyone and welcome. And in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to transfer Ticketmaster tickets from Apple Wallet. It's important to clarify that transferring a Ticketmaster ticket from your Apple Wallet doesn't involve directly moving the digital file within the wallet app itself. Instead, the transfer process is handled through the Ticketmaster platform. Your Apple Wallet holds a digital representation of the ticket, but the ownership and validity are managed by Ticketmaster. Here to break down the process. Combining information from Ticketmaster help resources. Now you need to access your tickets through your Ticketmaster. The transfer process initiates within your Ticketmaster account either through the app or the website. To log into your Ticketmaster account, go to My Events to find the tickets you want to transfer. Then initiate the transfer by selecting a specific ticket you wish to transfer. Look for the transfer option. The exact wording might vary slightly. Ticketmaster will guide you through the transfer steps. You will need to provide the recipient's information and typically their email address or mobile phone number. Do not forget to double-check the accuracy of this information to avoid transfer issues. After entering the recipient details, confirm the transfer. Ticketmaster will send a notification to the recipient. The recipient will receive an email or text message with instruction on how to accept the transferred tickets. Once they accept, the tickets will be transferred to their Ticketmaster account. It's as simple as that. Now, important notes. Apple Wallet role. Your Apple Wallet stores a digital version of your ticket for easy access at the event. The transfer process changes the ownership of the ticket within the Ticketmaster system, which then updates its validity of the ticket.